Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 6 to 12, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook page and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Ayan. And also, please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. So, ito yung Taurus bracelet na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Taurus. Meron tong rhodonite, aventurine, at moss agate. So, ito ay available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description kung gusto nyong mag-order. Ayan, Taurus, let us see what's coming to you. Taurus, Taurus, Taurus. Balance, spirituality, and practicality. So some of you Taurus, you are a spiritual worker or you are undergoing spiritual awakening. So mas nagiging aware ka ngayon sa iyong spiritualidad. Kaya lang may mga pagkakataon rin na minsan things are just puro spiritual na lang. Maaring meron kang mga hindi hinaharap na mga bagay na mga responsibilities mo, no? So, or yung mga decisions mo, minsan hindi na siya practical. So, dapat binabalance mo yung spirituality and practicality. Especially if you're manifesting something, di ba? Hindi lang naman yan laging prayer and prayer or tipong manifesting things, na affirmations. You also need to take action, okay? Do the work, kumbaga. That's part of being practical as well. So, let's see what else. Taurus, ayun. Dami. Ayan, Taurus. Your hard work is paying off. Ayan, rest assured na kung ito naman ay in-effortan mo, trinabaho mo talaga, yung rewards niyan makukuha mo. Okay? Your hard work is paying off. Makikita mo na yung resulta na yan this week. Kumbaga, makakita ka na ng improvement. Oo. And then, it's time to release negativity. So, ito yung pagkakaroon ng negative, energies around you or self-limiting beliefs or yung mga pagda-doubt mo sa sarili mo minsan, 'di ba? May mga times na iniisip mo, it's not gonna work kasi ganito, ganyan, ganyan. But you really need to believe in yourself. Okay? You have to believe in yourself. It's time to release that negative energies around you. Lalo na kung mayroong mga tao sa paligid mo na instead na encourage ka, dinidiscourage ka pa. So, red flag na yan sa mga tao na yan na nakapaligid sa'yo. It's either ayaw nila na maging successful ka or medyo naiinggit. Alam mo na. So, umiwas na lang sa mga toxic at alam mong hindi ka pareho mo ng pananaw sa buhay. So, let us see what else, Taurus. You have the Queen of Swords energy. So, ito na nga. Being practical and logical in your decision making. Maari ring you are going to cut off some people, no, sa buhay mo para magkaroon ka ng peace of mind. Minsan kasi yung minsan nasa yan, nasa peers, nasa tao na nakakasalamuha mo. Minsan nakukuha mo yung energy nila and parang somehow na yung nasusway ka to do other things instead na maging in alignment of your purpose. You also have the Knight of Swords. Maaring magkaroon dito ng miscommunication with someone. Pwedeng meron kayong misunderstanding. So, mas maganda rito na kapag meron kang sasabihin sa ibang tao, you have to make sure na you are on the same page. Nagkakaintindihan kayo para maiwasan yung misconception or misinterpretation. Pwedeng related to sa mga kaibigan mo. Some of you, maaring meron ding gatherings with your friends. You might be going out with them. Kaya lang, I see some, Pwede magkaroon ng argument or conflict sa magkakaibigan. Oo, lalo na kung meron kayong pagtatalunan na certain belief system na, or parang pwedeng mantra or paniniwala na hindi kayo nag-agree. Sabi nga, it's okay to, ano ba yun? Agree to disagree. 'Di ba? Kanya-kanya lang kasi yan ang pananaw sa buhay, paniniwala. Ang importante is we respect each other's beliefs, 'di ba? So, you have the Seven of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, medyo impatient, no? Oo, but don't worry kasi itong mga itinanim mo, itong mga ipinunla mo, itong mga pinagtrabahuhan mo, you will definitely gain something from this. With the Queen of Pentacles, this is going to bring you financial stability. Yung iba sa inyo, ito yung hinihintay nyong salary increase. Ito yung hinihintay nyo na yung pagtaas ng posisyon mo sa work, no? Promotion sa trabaho. Yung iba naman, ito yung hinihintay mo na stable na income pagdating sa business mo, stable na sales, magandang pasok ng sales. You also have the King of Wands. So I feel like you are also going to tap into your creative skills, no? Mas magiging, parang iba sa inyo, ang i-explore nyo yung mga opportunities nyo to earn from your creativity. Some of you may travel opportunities din. Yung mga naghihintay ng schedule to travel, meron na kayong you can expect for an update ngayong week na to. So, sa love life, tingnan natin, Taurus. Sabotage. Meron talagang some of you, no, pwedeng someone na malapit sa'yo, romantically, pwedeng mahal mo sa buhay, ang isa rin na ayaw kang umangat, or pwedeng jealous of your success. May sumasabotahe sa yung mga ginagawa. So, I think this week, everything will be clear sa'yo. Marirealize mo kung sino tong tao na to. And some of you, you may be cutting off connections with these people na walang magandang na idudulot sa buhay ninyo, or pwedeng nagbibigay lang ng stress sa inyo. Kumbaga, hindi nyo kakampi. Hindi nyo siya kakampi. Hindi siya supportive sa ginagawa nyo. Sa money, career, finances, yung iba sa inyo, very talented kayo sa content creation, creative writing, or you can easily influence other people. So, gamitin nyo yan sa ikabubuti ng nakararami. And also, if you have a lot of plans, kailangan prepared ka sa mga gagawin mo. Hindi lang yung basta-basta out of nowhere gagawa ka ng action towards something. It has to be planned para meron kang sense of direction. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.